Thank you very much for your time and your advice. I think it's a good time to promote dialogue.
Absolutely, and we all need to do our bit. Thank you.
So, what's happening on the front of your home ground, the Makerfield by election?
Well, I'm hoping Andy Burnham winning on the 18th of June.
So, you are supporting Andy Byrne.
I do support Andy Burnham. I think he's a good candidate, and I think it's also very important for us as a community to make sure reform loses, because the success of reform is dangerous for us.
Can we see Andy Burnham next UK Prime Minister next month?
I don't know about next month.
Yeah.
Look, there's likelihood there will be a challenge of leadership. Question that you've asked about the relationship between Pakistan and Britain, I think the first thing to acknowledge is this is a relationship which is a long, well-established relationship. It's a mutual benefit relationship between both countries, but I think there is a lot more can be done. I've just mentioned 1.5 million Pakistanis who live here. They contributed to this country, strengthened the economy here. But they're also a very powerful bridge between the Pakistan and the UK. And I think they need to be fully utilized in order to strengthen this economic relationship. Our relationship about 5 billion is nothing actually, if you compare with the size of Pakistan that it is. And if you also compare with our trade with many other countries. So more should be done on the trade side, and within the trade there are many areas that we can actually focus, and that would, for example, we have many doctors who provide an incredible service here. Again, these things could be linked up with Pakistan. We can look ahead and look at the idea of computing, the programming, the AI, all that. Again, Pakistan has got incredible brains as well, where again the joint ventures could be done. And you can also see a number of other areas where it could be win-win, and defense is another good one. Pakistan is doing some good work on the defense as well. Britain has a long history of the defense as well. Both armed forces have a good relationship as well. So we need to be thinking on what are the areas where we're already working, how can we strengthen it, how can we make it more deeper, so that is stronger relationship, which is a win-win.